After Pfizer, Serum Institute of India has now sought emergency use authorization for its vaccine candidate Covishield in India. The company is currently conducting phase 3 clinical trials of the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine Covishield, which is being co-sponsored and monitored by the Indian Council of Medical Research. Citing the Serum Institute application, official sources said that the firm has stated the data from 4 clinical studies shows that Covishield is highly efficacious against symptomatic as well as, most importantly, against severe COVID-19 infections. This is based on 2 studies in the United Kingdom, one in Brazil as well as one in India. Serum Institute is the first indigenous company to apply to the DCGI seeking emergency use authorization. It's the second company overall, because you also had the Indian arm of US pharmaceutical giant Pfizer seeking a similar approval. They were the first company to seek an approval from India's drug regulator for its own COVID-19 vaccine in the country. Remember that Pfizer has already secured this clearance in the United Kingdom. Let me take this across to Pankaj Kelkar. He's joining us live from Pune with the latest updates. Pankaj, the Serum Institute of India is citing the studies that they've conducted in the UK, Brazil and India. But here in India, phase 3 trials are still underway. In such a circumstance, is it likely that they can get approval?
See, Akshata, as of date, Serum Institute of India that has partnered with AstraZeneca and Oxford University are said to be the front runners amongst the 12 pharma companies who have almost crossed the phase 3 trials. In India also, all of the 1600 volunteers who were administered with the Covishield doses in the month of August and September, now they were being monitored. Now their enrollment has also got over. So their reports have been submitted to DCGI, that is Drug Controller General of India, for the EUL license, that is Emergency Usage License. So that is the reason the CEO of Serum Institute of India had claimed that they will be going for the EUL that is given by the government of India's DCGIA, that is Drug Controller General of India. And after that, once they get the permission, by the mid or by the end of December, the frontline workers in India might be vaccinated with this vaccine. And the added advantage that they have is that AstraZeneca and Oxford University have already carried out the phase 3 trials. They have the results in hand, and that is the reason they are now banking on Drug Controller General of India to give them EUL license.
Okay.
So that is the reason it is being said that SII, Serum Institute of India, is the front runner, and they have now appealed or approached the government authority to give them permission, and simultaneously, once they get the permission, the frontline workers in India might be vaccinated. Serum Institute of India has almost manufactured 4 crores of these vaccines since they were had entered in phase 2 trials, because they were confident that this vaccine has the efficacy results, and now it is showing. So let's hope that they get the permission.
All right.
Simultaneously, the frontline workers are vaccinated.
All right, Pankaj, thank you for getting us all those details. We'll have to see if Covishield, which is the vaccine candidate being developed by Serum Institute of India, gets the necessary approvals.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.